Welcome to Render Goonster. In this quick Blender tutorial, I will show you how you can make a realistic glass material. I will jump to the shading tab and I have a very simple HDRI lighting setup. I will create a new material for this glass object. I will delete the principal BSDF shader and add in a glass BSDF. So I will press Shift A and search for the glass BSDF and add it. I will plug it to the material output. The IOR value of 1.5 is perfectly fine. What we can do now is we can add a volume absorption node and we'll plug it into the volume socket of the material output. This will allow us to give some density and tweak it with this node. You can tweak the color here. I will just give it a bluish tint like that, and I will decrease the density, so something like zero point 0.5 works for me. Now if you want you can stop here, but what I like to do is I like to add some roughness variation in my glass materials to add that extra level of realism. So what I will do is I will add a grunge image. So I will press Shift A and search for an image texture, and I have imported this random grunge texture. You can simply search online for grunge black and white texture and you will find similar results. Now I will press Ctrl T to add my mapping and texture coordinate nodes. Make sure that you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled to use this, right? And I will plug the color to the roughness of the glass. And right off the bat we get some variation, but to have more control over it, what I will do is I will add a color ramp node. And this black color, it tells how reflective the material is going to be, and the white value tells how rough the material is going to be. So as you can see, if I turn this black handle to white, it becomes completely rough, right? So we don't want that. What I'll do is I will make it dark and I will just bring my white handle closer so we get these variations. Right now it's a bit too much, so I will just play with these values. Maybe I will add another handle as well and make it lighter like that. And with that, we have got a pretty realistic looking glass material with some surface imperfections. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe me for more.